What do the dashboard warning indicator lights on the 2022 Ford Transit signify? These lights provide crucial information about vehicle systems, alerting you to potential issues, ensuring safe and efficient driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system warning lamp. Electric park brake warning lamp. Blind spot information system and cross-traffic alert warning lamp. Brake pad wear warning lamp. Door ajar warning lamp. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Engine oil pressure warning lamp. Engine warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. High voltage battery. Ignition warning lamp. Lane keeping system warning lamp. Low beam warning. Low fuel level warning lamp. Parking brake warning lamp. Powertrain warning lamp. Stability control and traction control indicator. Stability control and traction control off. Stop safely warning lamp. Tire pressure monitoring system warning lamp. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Auto start or stop indicators. Automatic high beam control on indicator. Blind spot information system indicator. Cross traffic alert indicator. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Eco mode indicator. Efficient drive mode indicator. Front fog lamp indicator. Hazard flasher indicator. High beam headlamp indicator. Lamps on eye indicator. Lane keeping aid indicator. Lane keeping alert indicator. Malfunction indicator lamp. Mud or ruts mode indicator. Ready to drive indicator. Slippery mode indicator. Stability control and traction control indicator. Tow or haul mode indicator. Vehicle plugged in indicator.
Precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols.
If this guide on lights indicators diagram is helpful, PLZ like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.